Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the post market report. Today, in a volatile trading section, today also the Nifty could close in positive territory now about 4 consecutive trading sections. This morning, we were expecting a slightly gap down opening in Nifty as per the GIFT Nifty indication. But Nifty opened about 37 points higher from yesterday's closing. From there, the Nifty began its rally and touched its high today, that is 24,573. And from there, the Nifty traded within a range of 24,520 to 24,550 levels. But unfortunately, by 11:54 a.m., the Nifty fell about 190 points within a time of 2 minutes. That was a huge volatile time in Nifty today. And from there, the Nifty started to recover. But after that, Nifty could recover till 24,540 levels only. From there, again the Nifty broke down in the afternoon and Nifty closed above 24,450. Today, most of the major indices in India closed with positive sentiments. The main contributors were Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty. Both of them closed above 1%. India's 10-year bond yield hits 3-year low today on growing optimism in the market about the domestic central bank easing the interest rate this week in the RBI policy on this Friday. HDFC Life, HDFC Bank, Apollo Hospitals, NTPC and Bajaj Finserv are the top gainers in Nifty today, while losers includes Bharati Airtel, Cipla, Bajaj Auto, Tata Motors and Adani Ports. On the sectorial front, FMCG and auto were down about 0.7% each, while IT and media were up 0.5% each. Realty and PSU banks gained more than 2%. Today, the BSE mid-cap index rose about more than 1% and small-cap index rose about more than 0.6%. Coming into the global market, the US market now trading with positive sentiments, including Dow Jones future, and Bitcoin also is trading above US dollar 96,000 ahead of Jerome Powell's speech tonight by 12:15 a.m. Coming into the European markets, CSE and DAX are trading with positive sentiments, while FTSE is now trading with negative sentiments ahead of the pivotal vote in France. Commodities, Brent crude and crude oil are now trading with positive sentiments, while gold is now trading with slightly negative sentiments. Stock in news, Suzlon Energy share rallies 4% today because the company received a new project for 302.4 megawatt power project for Jindal Power. Star Cement today stock rallies about 13% due to the news that Adani Group evaluates to acquire the company for its expansion in the Northeast. PB Fintech share hits its 52-week high today as board approves the incorporation of healthcare subsidiary. Steelman Telecom, the stock rallies 20% today and locked in upper circuit because the company received a new order from Reliance Jio worth rupees 147 crores. Swan Energy stock today rallied about 13% because the company announced on yesterday that the company is going to build ships apart from repair works. Bajaj Auto stock slips 2% today because the company reduced the price of Freedom 125 by just 5 months after the launch of the bike. Wonderla Holidays stock today rallies 15% after the launch of QIP on yesterday. Oberoi Realty stock hits record all-time high today after Nauma initiates buy rating, predicts 21% upside potential. Disclaimer: please do not make any investment decisions based on my video because I am not a SEBI registered person. I am doing this video is for you and for me for educational purpose only. Hope all you got the informations. Thanks for watching the video.